So basically in this video, I am going to show you on how to get your PayPal API credentials. So basically open your web browser, which is in this case, I use Google and search for the PayPal developer on the search bar. And once you're in, you will see this page. Just click on the URL, and once you're in, you will see this, and you will see above, which is the APIs and SDKs. Just click on the REST APIs and wait for it to download. After that, under the REST APIs, you will see the API request and API responses. You just have to click on the API request, and this will pop up on your screen. And to make a REST API, you need to combine the HTTP GET POST PUT patch and delete method to the API service. So the URL to the API service is this one or this one in live. So optionally, you could include query parameters on the GET calls to filter the limit of the size and sort the data in responses. So basically, here's the sample request list invoices, which is right here. Here's the parameters that you can get the credentials or the details as well. So that's how you get your API credentials on your PayPal.